puppy hug? Oh, you're gonna fall because now it's not gonna be very happy.
This visualization, made with data from a satellite called Mediasat, reveals a daily pulse in dust.
Yeah, you guys need to go outside, okay? Puppies, get out. In the house ever.
The dust rises with an almost
Jacob,
clockwork
Titsy,
precision
kitty cat.
each day.
Come get Kitty. Come get the kitty.
What started as a microscopic
There's a kitty cat for you.
now a vast
There's a kitty cat for you. Oh, there's dad for you. There's a kitty. Ah! That's a mama. It's a mum. Oh, you sleepy? Oh, the snotty nose.
several hundred kilometers wide.
You're dirty, man. This outfit is filthy.
Of ancient plankton
Bing, bing, bing.
across Africa.
Yeah. What? Dad is right there. Here's Kitty Cat. Kitty. Can you get that kitty? Whoa! You're not gonna get that kitty? Yes.
Satellites reveal that 54,000 tons of dust
Sissy.
transported
Kitty.
8,000 kilometers to the Amazon.
You gonna go get him over here? Come here, kitty. Come here. Oh, Jacob, look at it. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Yeah, right here. Jacob, look at your kitty friend. Is right here. There's a kitty.
High above the range,
Jacob, what are you doing?
ancient plankton
Crazy kid.
born
It's
in
a
spectacular
kitty right there. Kitty cat. Ah, grab his eyes.
minerals in the dust dissolved. Precipitation falls incessantly throughout what is now the Amazonian rain season, delivering a total of 40 million tons of African dust into the forest below. What was once plankton now passes into the soil and into the tree's roots, revitalizing the forest.
Those are socks, Jacob.
The
They're clean ones to wear
fertilization of
tomorrow.
the Amazon by Saharan
You
dust
can wear those socks
remained
tomorrow.
invisible to humans until the advent of a satellite.
Hello.
Era's
My
instincts